Hello guys, use my phone Xiaomi Mi 10. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Look complementation. In complementation device in the gray color. Okay. On this we have key for SIM slot and protective back cover, adapter, headphones jack to USB Type-C. Okay. USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. This all complementation. Okay. Device made of glass and metal. On the back side quad camera, on the front side 6.6 inch. On this side without controls. Right side power key and long keys. Upside speaker, first speaker. Downside second speaker. USB Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card. And this all. Okay. Turn on display. AMOLED display, Full HD resolution. Full HD Plus resolution, version Android 10, Mi Global 11. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, this octa-core processor, 4 plus 3 plus 1 cores. GPU Adreno 650. Single core score results and multi-core score. GPU test results, okay, and look on Total benchmark results. Okay, perfect. We have display 19 GHz. Okay, and open the my game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. On the maximum graphic level, resume game. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this game and talk about camera. Main camera, quad camera, 108 plus 13 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.